Welcome to the Loreal Future Talent Education Programme. In this intermediate series, we will cover colour and lightening hair. Within this video, you will understand how to apply the basic technique of balayage. Discuss the desired outcome with a consultation. Talk to the client about their desired look. Determine the level of lift and colour placement they desire. Assess the client's hair texture, density and condition. Consider any previous treatments or damage. Understand the client's lifestyle and how often they are willing to revisit the salon. Prepare your client with the appropriate personal protective equipment for the service. Ensure their clothes are protected and you, as the stylist, are protected from all chemicals used. Sterilise your equipment before use. The first thing to do is to make sure you have all of the correct equipment ready on the trolley. Why we do it? Balayage provides a sun-kissed look. It is low maintenance for the client and can be customised for various hair lengths and textures. Divide the hair into 4 quadrant sections, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Secure each section with sectioning clips to keep them separate and manageable. In a mixing bowl, combine the product and oxidant according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mix until you achieve a smooth consistency. Begin applying the product at the nape. Take a small subsection of hair in a V-angled section. Using a brush, paint the product onto the hair in a sweeping motion. Focus on creating a gradient effect, with more product at the ends and a softer, feathered application towards the roots. Primarily focus on the surface saturation within the midband and deeper saturation on the ends to create a sun-kissed look. Continue to work upwards within your sections. Be consistent in the depth of each section for a balanced look. You can vary the placement to create a sun-kissed look. Ensure the brush strokes are light and fluid. If desired, wrap the painted sections in foils or secure in mesh. Mix fresh product and keep your tools clean throughout the service. Repeat the process throughout all sections of the hair. When you reach the hairline, work away from the face. This application is freehand, and your angles and depth of sections will depend on the client's desired end result. Ensure each section has plenty of product applied to it and is thoroughly blended. The processing time will vary based on the products used and the manufacturer's guidelines. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific product being used. Once the development time is complete, rinse the hair thoroughly until the water runs clear. Use a shampoo to gently cleanse the hair and remove any remaining colour. Apply a conditioner or mask to condition and treat the hair. To learn more, watch or discover the process of removing colour and lightener from the hair video. Recommend a shampoo and conditioner that will protect both the condition of the hair and its colour. By following these steps, you can effectively learn how to apply a balayage technique. Continue your learning journey and watch more from the Colour and Lightening Hair Unit. To discover more resources, go to the Future Talent page on Loreal Access. This dedicated page will support you in your educational hairdressing journey.